Just to explore supply and demand a little bit more. So roughly, as I mentioned prior, about 20% of the world's oil supply travels through the Strait of Hormuz, without trying to roll my H's and R's here. Assuming that the Strait of Hormuz, let's say it was shut down and no oil was to be able to go through that, would that be dictated by Iran if they would wish to close
Largely,
that?
I mean, they've got control of that particular part of the world, and
So they just say, "Yep, no more bets. We're closing."
we're just shutting it to commercial, commercial activities, and we're just turning it into a bombing alley to practice for our air force, for example. So there's no oil tankers in there. So that does become something that's quite sensitive. But the world's changed a lot. I think the dependence on Middle Eastern oil really has shifted from a supply perspective. And in fact, if you look at the US, is actually the world's largest producer of oil in terms of refining and distillate and all the rest of it.
I had no idea. There you go.
And then I think that's second is Russia.
Okay.
So the reason it's not as straightforward as that, because the world's biggest oil deposits obviously are in the Middle East.